Okay, hello. Welcome to the second part of our practice session on a linear equation. In part 1, we have answered to the question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in part 2, we will answer to the question number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, what is question number 5? Question number 5 says find the equation of a line parallel to this line. So let's say, in the previous session, we rewrote this equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 8. We rewrote it in the form of the slope-intercept form. So now if we find the equation of a line which is parallel to this line, there could be many lines. The question asks us to find out the equation of just one of those lines. So the answer could be multiple answer. So let's draw the parallel line. If we draw the parallel line is going to look like this, like the orange line. The main point is the distance between these two lines is going to stay the same. They are never going to meet. They're never going to intersect each other. So that is the parallel line. So what can we say about this line? If we compare that with this line, both of them should have the same slope. Isn't that true? Both of them should have same slope. That's why they are parallel. So the equation of the parallel line, the equation of the parallel line will be what? They will have same slope. So we know at least y is equal to negative 1/2 x. They should have the same slope. However, they are going to have a different intercept, right? So y-intercept could be different. This one has almost 5.5, right? Almost 5.5 y-intercept. So we can say plus. There could be another line with the intercept 5. You can pull it down a little. That line would have intercept 5. And this question has multiple answers. So this is one of the answers. Because if you look at the question says find the equation of a line parallel to this line. A line. That means it has many lines. You need to find just one. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So what is the next question? So this is question number 5. The answer to the question number 5. What about question number 6? Let's see what the question. Question number 6 is find the equation of the line perpendicular to it. Perpendicular to it. Perpendicular line is the green line. Green line is perpendicular to the blue line. And it is perpendicular because this is 90 degree. Actually, these and that, these are all 90 degrees. And because the orange line is parallel to the blue line, the green line is also perpendicular to the orange line. So this is one of the lines. You can draw many lines. If you draw the lines here, 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 they're all going to be perpendicular. So this question also has multiple answers. So what do we know about a perpendicular line? What is the relationship between this line and that line, the green line and the blue line? We only know they are perpendicular to each other. Well, when two lines are perpendicular to each other, their slopes are related by this relationship, m1 is equal to negative 1 over m2 when they are perpendicular. When they are parallel, the relationship is this: m1 is equal to m2. Okay? So this is in case of parallel line, and this is in case of perpendicular line. So do we know m1? Yes, we know m1. m1 is equal to negative 1/2. So if we put that, negative 1/2 is equal to negative 1 over m2. So what does it mean? This means m2 equal to 2, right? Must be m2 equal to 2. So we know this implies m2 equal to 2. So we know the slope of the perpendicular line. So the equation of the perpendicular line is y is equal to 2x plus b. B is the y-intercept. So in this particular case, y-intercept is what? 1, 2, 3, negative 3. So we can say minus 3. Main point is this, the slope. So this is the equation. This is the answer to the question number 6. Okay. What is question number 7? Okay, question number 7 asks, examine if the point negative 3, 4 is on the line, on this line. Okay, so if negative 3 and 4, if negative 3 and 4 is on this line, then if I put negative 3 for x and 4 for y, they must be equal to 8. That means these 2 points will satisfy this equation. Let's see. So 2 times negative 3 plus 4 times of 4 equal to negative 6 plus 16. So 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. And 10 is not equal to 8. Right? So this point, the point with coordinate negative 3 and 4 is not on the line. On the line, 2x plus 4y equal to 8. So this point is not on the line 2x plus 4y equal to 8. Did you get that? Okay. What is the question number 8 is asking you to complete the following table. They have given you the relationship between x and y, and they have given you the value of x's. You need to compute the value of y. I'm going to show you an interesting way of doing this. It's very simple and very helpful, and I'm going to use Excel to do the computation. And I suggest that you try to use Excel as frequently as you can when you are taking a math class, statistics class, economics class, or a finance class. You will find it's an excellent asset, excellent tool that you can use. Instead of using calculator, use Excel. Excel is very powerful. I'm going to show you in a minute. So first thing I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say copy. And now I'm going to paste it in the Excel page. Okay, here I copied the table in the Excel page. And my equation is this: y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 2 that I got from my original equation 2x plus 4y equal to 8. Remember when we wrote it in the slope-intercept form? So I'm going to use this formula to calculate the value of y. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to say, I'm going to type equal to, then left parenthesis, negative 1/2 times x, the value of x is this. I'm going to give the cell reference, G7 is right here, G7. This is G7. And then plus 2. Enter. This is 3. And I can check this number. My equation is, this is 7. This is number 7. And number 8, we are working on number 8. So my equation y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 2. So when I put x is equal to negative 2, so negative 1/2 times negative 2 plus 2. Negative times negative makes it positive. So positive 2 times 1/2 is 1, and 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And this is exactly what we found in our Excel page, right here. And we can double check our formula by clicking the left mouse key on the cell and then pushing F2 button to double check if we have done it correctly. Negative 1/2 G7, which is this, plus 2. Enter. Now to do all of these calculations, the only thing that I have to do, I have to take the cursor right here on the bottom right hand side, and when the plus sign appears, I need to hold the left mouse key and then drag it all the way here. And then when I'm there, I release the key and all the calculations are done. Okay? Everything is done. 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1.5, and 0. So only thing that I need to do now is to copy my results on the answer page. Copy my results on the answer page. Okay, here's my Excel page with the answers. 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1.5, and 0. So just transcribe the answer here. And that is it. So when I transcribe my answer, this is my answer table. That takes care of question number 8. Okay, so you can review the chapter on linear equation and you'll see most of the questions, I will say 95 to 98% of the questions are just can be categorized in one of those 8 categories. So what I'm thinking is that if you practice these 8 categories and if you feel comfortable with 8 categories, you will be totally set for the chapter on linear equations. And if you have further questions or if you need any other help, please make a comment in the comment section and be specific where you need your help, okay? And I will help you out. Thank you. Bye.